Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay for Discord Nitro with Google Pay, right? So we will just open Discord here and I will show you. Once you open the Discord, you have to go to the bottom right side corner, which is called U, right? So here it will show the interface. On the top right you will see this Nitro icon. Now click on the Nitro and then here you will get this plan. So you can choose any of the plan depending upon your requirement. Let's say I will choose this one, and here you will get this two option whether you want to buy it from monthly or yearly. I will just go for monthly. I will click on purchase, and once I click on purchase, it will automatically it will redirect me to Google Pay, and here I can buy with Google Pay money, right? So here you can see that I have play points, right? And if I have something already a balance over my Google Play, I will just click over here and I can just add the money over here, right? So it's very easy to do it. I hope you found this video very useful. And once you click on continue, right, you will get this option to update and you can add your account or something. If you haven't, then you will able to purchase or pay for Discord Nitro with Google Play. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.